Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Windows 10. So let's get started. So Windows 10 is a operating system and most popular in the world. So it is one of the best and easy to use operating system. So first you have to open your Windows. So you will see your screen. So basically it's a home screen. So at the down, you can see here your File Explorer tab. So you have to tap on here and then you can click on this to maximize this tab. And from here, you can click on your this PC and you can see here your drives. So majorly in the system or a computer, your C drive is your main drive. So on the C drive, you have your Windows 10 major file and data. So if you want to access this, then here you have to double click and then here you can see your all file program data, program files and many logs. So your system file is this. So remember, you should never delete your system file or do any changes on your C drive. If you want to save your personal data, then you can use your D drive. Just click on this here and from here you can save whatever file that you want. So to create a new folder, you have to just do a right click. Then you have to click on this new here. Then you have to click on this folder and from here you can create a new folder and use it. So for example, I will name this folder as 1. So you can see this folder is named as 1. So you can just open it and use it. So if you want to rename it, then you have to just do right click here. Then you have to click on this rename option and from here you can rename this file. For example, I will rename here as hello. So from here we can rename. So if you want to delete any file or any folder, then you have to just click on the right here and then you can click on delete. After deleting that, then if you want to clear your bin data, then you can click on your recycle, right click and then click on here as your empty recycle bin. Then you have to press enter and then it will be done. If you see here, you have many apps. So the pre-installed ones will be your Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. So Microsoft Edge is your default browser. So let's go to the system settings. So here, this is the start button. So here I have to click on this here. And from here you can access through your system. So when you will just go here, then you can see your system here. After this here you can set your night mode, then your display setting from this slide. And if you see here you can see your battery. If you have a laptop then you can see your battery. And if you have a PC then you will see your power edit. And you can see here many things. By clicking this button you can go to back. Then if you click on this device, at here you can see your device connected and the device is being connected through this laptop or the system. If you go here at the phone tab, you can see your phone. If you turn it on, then you can link with your mobile phone. So it will link easily through your Android and the other device. If you go to here network and internet, you can edit your network and internet settings. If you see here, I have connected with my internet. You can click on this show available network and you can see your area Wi-Fi. If you go to Wi-Fi, then you can see here your Wi-Fi settings. You can turn it off and on from this toggle button. If you click on this Ethernet, you can see your Ethernet port and many things. If you go to dial-up, and then if you have a inbuilt SIM setting, then you can set up your dial-up connection also. And you can see many more settings. You can set the VPN or the airplane mode and many others. So let's go to personalization. So from here you can set your background and your theme. If you want a background like this, you can set it this, or solid color also. If you see color, you can set your color and many other things. So from the apps, you can install or reinstall the apps. So you can see your feature, your data, and many other things. So from here, you can see the app installed on my laptop or in your desktop from here. If you want to uninstall it, any one of the app, then you have to right click and then you have to click on this here and click on this uninstall and it will be uninstalled. If you go to a default app, then you can change your default music player, web browser, and a map and mail and other things. If you go to offline map, then you can see your map area. If you go to app for website, you can see app for the website. You can go to the video playback and see the video playback options. You can set as HDR and many other things. If you go to here at account, you can see your personal account. I'm not opening the video because of privacy reasons. If you go to time and language, then you can select your time and whichever language you're comfortable with. If you go to region, then you can select your region, country also. You can set the language and you can set from here your speech or the language that you speak. After you can go to the gaming and from here you can set your graphic setting and many other. From the capture, you can record your game from here and do many other gaming things. If you go to easy access, ease of access, then you can have your font size bigger or smaller. Then you can edit your mouse pointer, your text cursor, magnifier, color filter, and high contrast, and many other things. If you see here, then you have privacy and update and security. You don't have to go into privacy because it's a internal PC setting. Don't edit that. You can go into Windows Update and you can check. After this, you can use your Windows properly. So you can close this and it will be done. So this is how to use Windows 10. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.